Welcome to Tina's Yummy Bites. Today I am going to share with you one of the recipe of Kerala, that is Meen Polichadu. For that we need to take fish, that is pomfret fish. I have taken 400 grams. For marination we will take one bowl and add half teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt as per taste, ginger garlic paste. I have crushed that. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. You can avoid vinegar if you don't want. You can add half lemon to it. Oil, I am going to take 1 teaspoon. This is help this marination to stick to the fish. I am adding 1 teaspoon of water to it for getting a smooth paste kind of consistency. Now this marinations we are going to add on the top of our fish and coat it very nicely. I have used pomfret fish. You can use any of the fish which you like. The first stage of our recipe, that is Meen Polichadu, is to fry this fish, and then a later chutney is been made. A smooth, nice and tender chutney has been made and coated with on the fried fish, and then it is been given heat. So we are preparing that right now. We have taken 2 large onions and we have chopped them into pieces. 1 large tomato I have taken. I usually de-seeds the tomatoes. You can use with the seeds also, no issue. Let's chop nicely, finely. Traditionally, this recipe is been done with the help of banana leaves too, but I don't have any banana leaves over here, so I am going to use the shortcut for it. I am going to use paper foil for it. Our oil is been heated and I am adding curry leaves on the top and placing one by one the fish on the top. The curry leaves will give nice flavor and aroma to our fish, and as well as these fish will not be sticking at the bottom. It's a small trick which I have shared with you. We'll place all together nicely. We'll flip it on the one side and the another side too, and superb fish fry is ready. The remaining oil which is there in the pan, we will add the onions to it directly. We will not add any extra oil to it. I've added 8 tablespoons of oil for frying. So whatever is left, I've added this onion to it. I'll add little bit salt and saute it nicely. I don't want it brown in color. I just want them to be tender and soft and light brown in color. Added ginger garlic paste to it and saute it for a minute. Let's add all the dry masalas. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And this is the main ingredient. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Yes, garam masala. Usually the fish curry will never have the garam masala, but this type of chutney which we are making, in that if you add a garam masala, it will be too yum. Please do try. I have added the chopped tomatoes, a little bit water, and we will cook this for a while till it's soft and tender and all the masalas get smoothened. Later on, 1/4 cup of coconut milk I have been added. I have used the coconut milk powder and diluted into the water and I have added it. We will cover and cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes till all the milk get absorbed and it has been cooked nicely. We'll garnish it with the coriander leaves and give just a mix. and it's ready. Our chutney is ready. I'm taking paper foil, folding into twice because I don't have banana leaves, so I'm directly placing it on the top of the foil. If you have banana leaves, then just need to a little bit, you can apply a little bit oil on that and heat it out so that it has been foldable, and place it on the top of the foil, and then you can prepare your procedure. I put the chutney at the first, then place the fried thing on the top, fried fish on the top, and then again applied the chutney, and I'm folding this from all the sides, pressing it out and placing a pan on the gas stove. No need of any oil or ghee or anything, just for a few minutes, that is 1 or 2 minutes, roast it on one side and another side too. That's it. Our meen podiche is ready. We'll place it on the plate. See how it's steaming out. So superb, yummy flavors are coming out, and my mouth itself is getting watery. Garnish it with the slice of the onion, lemon and the coriander. Our meen podiche is ready. Please do try this. Thank you so much.